Hello everybody, welcome back to Baking Budgets. Today we are doing a cash unstuffing for the last week of July. It is so crazy that we are already done with the second month of summer. It is so crazy to even think about, but I'm so glad that you guys are here. I am a 22-year-old cash budgeter here in Washington State. I do most of my spending on my credit card, and then I'll pay it back at the end of every week. So if that's something that interests you guys, please subscribe and join the family. And if you like this video, please give it a like. Okay, so let's get started. So this week I actually have a few coins, so I'm gonna take it out. Not too many. All right. And I'll just put it in my piggy bank. All right, I have everything down right here, the spending that we did for the week. And you know what? This week wasn't that bad. So I'm really excited for this unstuffing. And hopefully in some of our envelopes, we have some left over. We're gonna start with our black binder. This is our weekly expenses. So first in grocery, usually where we shop at in our state is we have this grocery store called Winko's, and you have to pay everything in either debit or cash. So usually we'll pay cash. However, this week we did some of our spending at Walmart. And so at Walmart, we were able to use our credit card. So the amount that I'm withdrawing from here right now is to pay back our grocery expenses on the credit card. So we spent 90, 32, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. Okay, so 90, 32. I think for now we'll just do the 90. You guys, oh my gosh, I am so, this is the first time ever we have leftover money. You guys have no idea. Ew, look at this one. Ew, it's literally taped. It's so ugly. I'm so excited, you guys. You have no idea. I was actually talking to my husband right before this video, and we were talking about how we have some goals going into the new month of August, and I was telling him that a goal that we should have is to try and have at least 8 no spend days in the month of August. So essentially we'll have 2 no spend days for each week, and we're starting small, but I think it'll definitely make a big difference. So we're gonna try and do that. Yeah, gas for my husband, he spent $75.01, so we'll just do 75 if we can. Okay, so 20, 40, 60, 80, and then we'll put back the 5. You guys, literally look, $25 left over. Oh my gosh, I'm ecstatic because as you know, my husband, he's really been needing a new phone, and I'm so excited. Honestly, my husband has so much going on in this upcoming months that I am so excited for. He's looking into getting licensing for his business, and you guys, I'm just so excited for him. Like, you have no idea. Gas for me was $50.03, so 20, 40, 50. I am so stoked for him, and I'm so excited to share with you guys more details of that when that comes up. And you know, I feel like I talk a lot about my husband every time I talk to you guys, but you know what? That's, to me, that's how life is. You know, when you're married to somebody that's literally your best friend, if you know, then you know. You're proud of everything that they do, and you just literally, like, you want to share with everybody. So that's why I share it with you guys. In household was $7.48. So let's see. So 5, 6, 7. We'll just do $8. We'll round it up. Ew, look at these bills. Oh, these are ugly. Okay. So we have $2 left over in household. Okay, coffee this week. Oh my gosh, I have such a sweet story to tell you guys. Coffee was $17.01, so 10, 15, 16, 17. So, you know, we love Dutch Bros. We always go to Dutch Bros. So recently when we've been going, my husband and I, we've been just sharing a drink, because if you've ever gone to Dutch Bros, guys, literally a medium is the size of a venti, if you know what I'm talking about. Like, their drinks are huge. So usually my husband and I will just share, because when we go like later in the evening, and we don't want to have like a huge amount of coffee like right before bed. So we went, and this time my husband was like, you know what, I'm gonna just order my own drink. So he ordered his own, and my husband was like, okay, I'm gonna do. And then the guy who was taking our order, who we've literally seen him, I can't even count how many times this past week, and he was like, oh, you're actually gonna order something today? And we were all cracking up. And then we pay, and then he tells my husband, oh, by the way, I paid for yours, it's free. And we were like, are you serious? And he was like, yeah, you never order, so I had to get it for you. Like, are you serious? Oh my gosh, counting our blessings. That was like, it literally made our day. We have not stopped smiling since then. Like, literally, that's why we freaking love Dutch Bros. So sweet. Eating out, we spent exactly $90. So let's see what we got here. So here we go. So 50, 70, 90. We went and tried out a new restaurant. Oh, it was so awesome. So if I'm correct, this business first started out like as a small business, and she's selling this Filipino dessert called ensemadas. And so she was selling it, and then she opened up a cafe where she sells like Hawaiian Filipino style food. It was about an hour drive from our house, but you bet we made that drive, guys. And it was awesome. We brought my 2 younger sisters, and we just had a blast over there, and it was packed. So I'm really happy for her. That business is going. Spending for me this week, I spent $11.65. So yep, 11. We'll just do the $11. We're in the process of moving, as I've said before, and I was able to buy some jars at this super cute place. It's called Daiso. Literally everything in there is like from $1 all the way up to like $10, I think. Super cute store, and I was able to get some really nice jars. And literally when my husband and I first got married, I bought a few jars from there to hold like our coffee, our sugar, brown sugar, chia seeds, like that. Literally years later, guys, I still have these jars, and they're working awesome. So you bet we went back there to buy some huge jars. My husband this week, for his personal spending, he did $8.49. And honestly, he bought like a sticker or something and for his car, and it hasn't came here yet. We've been checking the mail, and it's been like over a week, and he hasn't got it yet. So that kind of sucks for him. Okay, so $8.49. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll just do $9, and he'll have one left over. So yeah, I'm so excited for you guys to see what we're gonna do with this extra money in my cash stuffing video tomorrow. Business expenses is nothing, debt snowball nothing. All of that is done. All right, so we're done with my black binder, and now we're gonna move into my pink binder. Baby girl expenses. We were able to buy her something a few days ago. So hers was $25. So 10, 25. All of it. Next is lychee. So remember how I said with lychee, we switched his dog food because he didn't want to eat it. And I was like, that's totally fine. I wouldn't want to eat the same food every day. But guess what? It turns out he's just picky because we bought him a new food. Doesn't like it, doesn't want it. Doesn't want nothing to do with it. So guess what? I decided to make him homemade dog food instead. And I've calculated how much it costs to buy his food. I haven't made it yet, so I don't know how many servings it'll make. But I'm going to see which one is more cost efficient. I mean, obviously me making him his food is going to be more time consuming. But you know what? I'm willing to do it because guess what? I was reading some statistics, and it showed that 60% of dogs get cancer in their lifetime. And it's mainly due to the fact that they're eating highly processed foods. So that'll do it for me. You bet that'll do it for me. I am definitely going to be making his dog food from now on. And I hope to be able to make it this week. So yeah, so that's that with lychee. So, but we were able to get him some treats. And his expenses is $13.44. It's 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. Cart emergency this week is $6.26, and honestly, I don't even remember what that was for. I think my husband was changing the oil on his car, which also, like, bless my husband that he does all this stuff that we don't have to bring it into the car shop and get it done. And when he was doing that, I think he needed to buy like a tool to remove the whatever. Okay, yeah. He knows. So $6.26. So let's see what we can do. Okay, I think we're gonna break some change here. Okay, if we can turn, let's see, if we put the 10 down, grab 2 5s, and then if we turn one of these 5s into 1s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put that there, put that back. There we go. All right. Okay, so in car emergency was $6.26. So let's do $5, $6, $7. Perfect. So put this here. Oops. Put this back here. Guys, I'm telling you, oh my gosh, cash budgeting, guys, this is so crazy because it's like you literally feel like it's like your own little bank. Like literally the fact that I haven't even been doing this that long and I already have money saved up in here. So it's like those little expenses that get you, like this $6.26. Last week it was like $7. The week before was like $8. It's like I already have money saved for it. I mean, I don't know what else you need to be convinced to do this, guys. It is so good. Gifts is nothing. Clothes. Oh my gosh, my husband was able to finally buy the rest of whatever he needed for work, and it came out to $40, and we have exactly 40. So $20, $30, $40. Perfect. So that is it, guys. That was all of our expenses for this week. Okay, so let's calculate everything here. And let's see if we're missing anything. Hopefully not. Okay, so grocery was $90.32. Hubby, gas for my husband, $75.01. Gas for me, $50.03. Whoops. $50.03. Household was $7.48. Coffee, $17.01. Eating out, $90. Spending for me, $11.65. Spending for my husband, $8.49. Baby girl, $25. Lychee, $13.44. Car emergency, $6.26. And clothes, $40. So it should be $434.69. So essentially $435 that we have here. So let's count this all up. Okay, I think we'll go like this. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. 20, 40, 50, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So we have 100, 200, 300, 436. So we have $1 extra in here. Woohoo! Ew! It's the ugliest one out of all of them. Okay, this one looks better. Okay, so this one extra dollar, I'm going to just go ahead and put it back in here with, doesn't really matter which one because all the extra money in here is going to be allocated to the same place, I'm thinking. So I'll just put that back in here. Perfect. So now I'll grab up all this money. What do we got here? Perfect. So guys, this is how much we spent this week. So this will all be going to the bank. Thank goodness for cash stuffing, you guys. This is all going to go back to the bank so that way we can have a fresh start for the new week. Okay, so let's go all the way back here to the bank so that we can deposit this money, get a fresh start on the new week, guys, on the new pay period. And start new because we are not going to let that credit card get us. Heck no. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys being here because I love doing these videos. I love being able to talk to you guys. And I love whenever anybody leaves me a comment or any sort of like response. I literally read all the comments, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And I hope to see you guys tune back in for my cash stuffing the last week of July, guys. And I will see you guys in my video tomorrow. Bye.